Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to go over my 5 top exercises for targeting your love handles, basically your obliques, and then we're going to go into a full workout right after using those exercises, so stick around. If we're just meeting, my name is Alina and I'm a certified personal trainer, and I use this channel to give weekly tips and workouts for beginners who want to get started on their fitness journey and look and feel their best. In today's video, like I've mentioned, we're going to go over 5 exercises to target your obliques or your love handles and then do a full workout. The format for the workout is going to be 35 seconds on for the exercise and then 25 seconds off. Because we're doing 5 exercises, we're going to do the 5 exercises one right after the other and then repeat for a second round so that the workout is a total of 10 minutes or just a little less. Before we get started, I really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button to never miss any weekly uploads that I have for more workouts, tips, and all of that. So with that, let's get started. The first exercise is going to be a Russian twist. So you have 2 options. You can do it with your feet down on the mat or with your feet raised up. The feet down on the mat is just a little easier, so pick based on your level. And the basic point is going to be to touch your opposite hand to the other side so that you're doing this twisting motion, and keep your entire core super tight and engaged during the entire exercise. Even though most of these exercises are targeted for these side muscles, you can target the entire core if you just keep it engaged during the workout. The next exercise is going to be a plank twist. So we're going to hold a plank, but then we're going to drop one side after the other so that it almost touches the mat. And that is again another twisting motion that'll work the side muscles right here on your obliques. Again, keep your core really tight during this exercise so that you can work those inner ab muscles right here as well. The next exercise is going to be a side plank. So again, we're going to hold the side plank and just focus on squeezing the muscle that's keeping us up. The oblique that's closer to the ground is the one that's going to be working. So for the first round, we're going to just do our right side, and then for the second round, we'll do just our left side. Again, keep your entire core tight the entire time. For this next one, it's going to be a standing side crunch. So all you're going to do is go from one side to the other. We're going to be alternating here and focus on using your oblique on the outside side to bring you up. And this will also really activate your back muscles too. I really love this one. The next exercise is called a penguin. I'm not exactly sure why, but we're going to go back on the mat, lie on our back, and focus on touching our hand to our heel on the same side and then alternating. And again, that's kind of squeezing and bending your obliques so that you activate them. so much for joining me for that workout. I definitely felt it here all over, and I just wanted to say thank you again, and please consider liking and subscribing if you don't want to miss any future workouts. You can also follow me on Instagram at CoachAlina_ or on TikTok at CoachAlina for more daily content on fitness, workout tips, and all of that. So I can't wait to see you there. Until next week, bye!